It starts with breaking news.
That breaking news coming out of Southern California, where a 6.4 magnitude earthquake has just hit outside of Ridgecrest. Take a look at some of the videos. We're just now starting to get into our newsroom. This is from our sister station in Los Angeles. You can see things just swinging around in this video. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. I'm Yasmin Hassan. Now, we're just learning that at least 24 people have been hurt in this earthquake. It's not just people in Southern California, though. People in our area are also reporting that they've been hearing it, specifically feeling it in Modesto, seeing and feeling the earth shaking right underneath them. So that just gives you an idea of how strong this quake was. As we said, the epicenter right near Ridgecrest, but it was felt in our area, the Las Vegas area, the Los Angeles area. A reporter at our sister station in Los Angeles was on the assignment desk when this happened just before 11 o'clock this morning, and listen to what she was saying just moments after it hit.
There was an earthquake probably 10-15 seconds before we felt it out here, so I assumed it must have been somewhere out in that area. But of course, it was much bigger for everybody kind of in Southern California to be feeling it. Right after I started to feel it, our photographer Sparkle was in the truck. She actually got out. She thought I was shaking the truck and trying to fool with her, but we said, no, I think there's an earthquake right now. There are a lot of people in this area just kind of walking around, and I think everybody kind of checked with each other to say, did you just feel that? There was a woman who just walked by and she said, yeah, I thought so. I was in the car and I was telling the person with me in the car that was an earthquake, and the other person was like, oh no, it's probably something, we hit a bump or something. The thing is, right where we are in the Rose Bowl, it's kind of a wide open area, so we didn't necessarily see anything shaking. You just kind of felt it, and I think there's everybody here just kind of checking in with each other. It doesn't appear that there's anything really bad that happened here, that we're still far enough of a distance, but it was definitely something that you felt, and probably a bigger one than we've felt in a long time. As I said, I was on the phone with my husband in the Inland Empire. We've been having a lot of smaller quakes over the last couple of months there. It's become something that's quite regular, but this one, from what I was told, was a lot stronger than those ones that we've been feeling, which have been more in the 3 range. This definitely stronger and lasting longer. And
Tina, just stay right there, but we're getting reports now that the aftershocks have been felt at 3.8, 3.5.
And again, a 6.4 magnitude quake hitting in Southern California. But Jordan, we're, obviously very far away, but we're hearing people in Modesto saying that they felt it as well. So, just give us a little perspective on how something like that can happen.
Right. I think a big reason why it was felt so far away and a lot of shaking was that this earthquake was actually at a depth at about 5.4 miles, which is considered a very shallow earthquake. So the deeper the earthquake is, the longer that it takes for the energy to reach the surface. But when you have an earthquake that is considered this shallow at just 5 miles, that energy, once it starts, it's close to the surface, and so that shaking can be felt not just near the epicenter, but can spread to a much farther distance. So that's why folks here in Modesto probably felt some shaking as well. I know I got some text messages asking, did we feel it? Not here in Sacramento, or at least I didn't, but that's the reason why. Very shallow earthquake that happened out in Southern California.
So yeah, it started in Southern California, people in LA feeling it, Modesto, Las Vegas. So obviously a really big story. We're going to stay on top of it throughout the rest of the day. But also the other big story today is really, it's 4th of July, folks, and you're really the most important guy we've got. Everyone wants to know what the weather's going to be.
Everyone's out on holiday, and I think a lot of folks are out doing their, activities, and so folks in Southern California, we're out and feeling that earthquake. Here in our area, we are experiencing some great conditions to be outdoors. Let's take a quick look at our forecast for today. I know the morning hours were really nice, but we're getting ready for the barbecue hour, which is close to noontime right now. We're looking at 91 here in the valley, 85 in the foothills, 75 in the Sierra. Stepping outside, we've got lots of sunshine. Winds are pretty light as we head towards the evening hours, getting ready for the fireworks to take up the night sky. Mostly cloudy for the Bay Area, but here in the Delta, the Valley, the foothills, and the Sierra, we're expecting clear skies and cooler evenings. 73 here in the Valley, 78 in the foothills, Sierra 57. But overall, our forecast this entire weekend looking pretty nice. We'll slightly warm up to 94 on Friday and Saturday, but by Sunday, check it out, 85 degrees.
Man, we can't ask for a nicer forecast for a day everyone's going to be outside.
Yeah,
and
good.
you get the credit, so thank you.